Hey there, future founders. Let's dive straight into one of the most debated topics in entrepreneurship, nature versus nurture. Are entrepreneurs born with an innate talent, or can anyone be molded into a successful business leader? Let's find out together with some real success stories and eye-opening stats. First, let's talk numbers. According to the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor, about 100 million startups are launched every year worldwide. That's roughly 3 startups every second. But here's the kicker, only about 10% of those will succeed. So, what sets the successful ones apart? Let's kick things off with the nature argument. Some people believe that entrepreneurial success is deeply rooted in one's personality. Take Richard Branson, for example. He started his first business venture at just 16 and went on to create the Virgin Group, which now controls over 400 companies. Branson himself has said that his risk-taking nature and penchant for adventure were key components of his success. But what about the nurture side? Many argue that entrepreneurship can be taught and developed through experience and education. Consider the story of Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She started with just $5,000 in savings and no background in business. Through sheer determination and learning from her mistakes, she turned Spanx into a billion-dollar company. Blakely has often credited her success to her ability to adapt and learn. Studies back this up too. Research from the Kaufman Foundation suggests that entrepreneurs who have a mentor are 5 times more likely to start a business than those who don't. And those who have previous startup experience are twice as likely to succeed. This clearly indicates that the right environment and guidance can dramatically impact entrepreneurial success. So are entrepreneurs born or made? The answer isn't black and white, it's a mix of both. Nature provides the raw ingredients, traits like resilience, risk tolerance, and creativity. Nurture shapes these traits, providing the skills and experiences needed to turn a vision into reality. Think about Elon Musk, another great example. He had a natural knack for technology and innovation from a young age. But it was the environment and experiences like his education at Stanford and early ventures like Zip2 and X.com that honed his entrepreneurial skills, leading to the creation of Tesla and SpaceX. So what does this mean for you, aspiring entrepreneur? Don't worry if you feel you weren't born with it. Focus on nurturing your skills, seeking out mentors, and learning from every experience. Remember, every setback is just a setup for a comeback. So get out there and start building your dream. Whether you're born with it or made it along the way, the world needs your innovation and drive. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow founders. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights and stories that inspire. Until next time, keep hustling.